Are you a person who is in the diaspora and you want to retire? You want to come to Africa, for example, in the country like Zambia. That's where you want to live your life, settle there, have a business there, and you want that business to grow so fast. You want that business to help you grow your life. So guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Timothy Hara, the masterpiece. On this channel I only do talk about three things, which is travel, family, business. If I'm not traveling, then which means I'm with my family. If I'm not with my family, then I'm at the business. So today it's one of the special day. Today it's one of a beautiful day, and I'm glad to tell you something that I'm going to tell you right now. And this thing, it's about you settling in Zambia. And I'm going to talk about Zambia because that is the country that I know most. Some of you, you've seen me traveling places. Some of you, you've seen me going different town centers. And I've been telling you to say, whenever you watch my videos, make sure you take some opportunities in my videos. Think of something that you can do. Think of something that you can create in that area that you've seen. So I've realized that why can't I talk about this? Why can't I talk about this? Quite all right, you want to come to Zambia. You want to settle in here in Zambia. And you are thinking of what kind of a business can I do? For today, I'm not going to tell you to say start a real estate company or start a clothing company or a clothing business company. But I'm going to tell you to say, if you want to settle fast, if you want to boom so fast, start a grocery business. Start a grocery business. Why am I saying that you should start a grocery business? It's because a grocery business is a business that can make you move and grow so fast. That business will make you grow fast, and it will make you move so fast. You know, there are areas where they still need grocery businesses, and a lot of you can say, why are you telling us to open up some grocery business? I'm telling you to open up some grocery business because I know my country. I know every angle of this life. More businesses like groceries, there are a lot in towns. But they are not enough. They are not enough. A lot of people, they still need food. A lot of people, they still need food. A lot of people, they still need groceries, you know. Now, when you go to some shops, you're going to find that some of the things you're not going to find them. The only place where you're going to find everything is maybe ShopRite, Pick and Pay, Shopee, and some other shopping malls. But in these small businesses, you're not going to find everything that you want at one place. So I've realized to say that why can't you, as a diaspora person, come in the country? You want to settle fast, you want to do this business. Yes, quite all right, you can start with a grocery business, and then if you start with a grocery business, you can continue building your real estate, building whatsoever the buildings that you want to build. But grocery business is one of the business that can take you far. I'm telling you. Here in Zambia, we still need food. We still need things. We still need some groceries. We still need things. And those things that we still need, if you bring them, you order them, you bring them at your shop, to the advantage. A lot of goods, they don't last for a long time. You buy them today or you order them today. By the end of this week, then those goods, they are done. As long as you have a fair price, as long as you know how to deal with customers, you have all the strategies about that business, then that business cannot fail you, or you cannot fail in that business. So a lot of you might think to say, oh, a grocery business is so difficult to handle. Are you telling me that there is a business which is not so difficult? Every business is so difficult to handle, I'm telling you. And it takes your communication, it takes your discipline, it takes your commitment to that if you want to succeed in every business. That's why I'm saying to say, please, if you are in the diaspora, you are thinking of what business can I do? How am I going to do it for me to live in that country? Please, grocery business is the best business for you to go with it. No? And some of you might ask, now, where can I place up my business, or where can I do this kind of business? You can do that business as long as there are people. I'm telling you. I've told you to say, some of the businesses that you see, the grocery businesses here around Zambia, here around the country, they are not enough, and they will never be enough. Much again, people, they still need some more things. People, they still need food. People, they still need lotions. People, they still need a lot of things. That's why we call it grocery. So if you're going to rely to say, no, there are a lot of people who are doing this, there are a lot of people who are doing that, then you are wrong. You are wrong. Look at Mpongwe. The last time I went to Mpongwe, I showed you to say, this is Mpongwe. You saw a lot of people. There were a lot of them. And you saw some of the opportunities which are there. You see? Mpongwe, it is a small town. This is when it is developing. It is not a fancy town. But when you see people, how they are moving, people, how they are reacting in the market, people, how they are reacting in those grocery shops, you're going to say that people, they still need some more business here. And there are a lot of opportunities. Look at Kitwe once again. Kitwe is one of the busiest towns here in the Copper Belt, and you've seen that in my video. Are you telling me that those people that you've seen there and those businesses that you saw there, are they managing all those people? No. The people of Zambia, as long as you have a fair price, as long as you have good good management, the people of Zambia, they will love you. And I have a lot of Indians, a lot of Somalis, a lot of Lebanese, a lot of Philippines, a lot of Chinese people. They are here in Zambia, and they've opened up their grocery businesses here in Zambia, and they're doing well, they're succeeding, they're building, they're doing all sorts of things. And that's why I'm saying that if you were to start up a business in the country like Zambia, and you want to settle so fast, and you want to have a fast business that can give you some money, then start a grocery business here in Zambia. So I'm advising each and every one of you who wants to come to Zambia, who wants to live here in Zambia, and you want to settle in Zambia, you want to retire here in Zambia, you think of the business and what type of a business that you can do. Grocery business, people, is one of the best business here in Zambia. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you guys. May God literally bless you. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your ears, for taking that time to listen to my video and to watch my video. So I'm in an area called here in Napalo. It's not a fancy place. It is just a place, a middle class, like not a middle class, a low class area. There are places that I've moved on. There are places that I've vlogged on, middle class areas, rich areas, all the kinds of areas that you would love, that you would want to live in. We have them here in Zambia. So, guys, thank you so much. Once again, may God bless you. I'm out.